Guys, this car has a weird problem. Come, look here. I'm starting the car now. Do you see? It can be started like a normal car, but when I let go of the accelerator, the car stalled. Do you know what the problem is? Let's go take a look. Usually, we need to check 3 places: oil circuit, electric circuit, gas circuit. The owner has already repaired the oil circuit and the electric circuit. Now only the gas circuit is left. Speaking of gas circuit, I think there is a part that may be faulty, and this part is easily overlooked by many repair shops. Come, let's look here. This is it. It's the EGR valve. I now suspect that there is something wrong with it. Let's take it apart and have a look. The disassembly process is very simple. Let's unplug this plug first. Next, we find a hex wrench like this. Remove this screw. Okay, now it has been disassembled. Very simple, but we must be careful when operating. Avoid injury. Next, let's pull out this valve. It looks fine on the outside. Let's take a look at the valve core. Good, the problem is found. Look here. When I push like this, the valve core doesn't move at all. Normally, it will slide up and down like a piston. This means it's stuck. Let's see if we can take it apart. Fortunately, it can still be taken apart. This valve core doesn't look like it has any problem, but look here. Oh my goodness, there is so much carbon deposit here. No wonder it got stuck. The cause of the problem has now been found. First, put some paper towels underneath to avoid getting the car dirty. Next, let's find a bottle of detergent and clean the carbon deposits. It's so dirty. Now, let's clean the valve core. Take some quick paper towels and wipe off the cleaning agent. Wipe the valve core clean as well. Now, let's drip some engine oil on it. Lubricate it. Finally, install the valve core back. Look, now it can move freely. Install it. After everything is done, let's see if the problem can be solved. Tighten the screws. This EGR valve is also called the exhaust gas recirculation valve. It connects the intake air on one side and the exhaust air on the other side. When the engine temperature is low, it is closed. When the engine is hot and you press the accelerator, it opens. If the EGR valve is stuck, you can't close the valve tightly when you start the car, which will cause air leakage. The mixture is too lean, so the car will automatically shut down. Plug it back in. Okay, now the front is all set. Next, we start the car and see if the car will stall again. If the problem is solved, please light up the red heart next to it to support me. Come on, now show the final repair effect. Step on the brake, put the gear in P, turn the key. Look, the car starts. I didn't step on the accelerator. Very powerful. Let's go to the front and have a look. Do you see it? The engine runs very smoothly. All the problems have been solved. Follow me. Learn about cars every day.